everyone, welcome to 11th video of Cypress Automation Crash Course in Codescam. So far we have covered Cypress commands, Cypress picture, how to read and write file in Cypress, page objects in Cypress. So in today's video we are going to cover dashboard services in Cypress. So let's dive in. So here is a test runner. In our previous videos we have covered how to use a test runner, how to run tests from a test runner, but the section we did not cover is here. That is runs section. So if you go to the section in your test runner, you can see the option connect to dashboard. So why do we need to connect our projects with dashboard now? Because if you're trying to complete your project and connect it with your CI/CD pipeline, then you definitely need the help of this dashboard. So once you connect with the dashboard, you'll be generated with a key which will help you to connect with your continuous integration. So if you're trying to run your test remotely, or if you're trying to connect your test with Jenkins, this dashboard is going to help us. So let's get started by connecting it with our dashboard. Now click on the button connect to dashboard. So you'll be asked to log in. So if you click on login, so you can see an UI opens in your installed browser in your PC. So you have options to log in with 4 things. In previous versions, you will get only options to log in with GitHub and Google. And here you have 2 more options. So I prefer logging in with my GitHub because I already have it signed in. So you can use anything you're comfortable with. So let me log in with my GitHub. So it is asking me the username and password. So let me complete this process. So it is asking us for the authentication. So authorize it. So now it is showing the message you have successfully logged into Cypress. Now go to your test runner. So you will see the same message again here that I have logged in with the email ID I have provided. So click on continue. So you'll get to see the screen. So here you click on the link create organization, so that you'll be moved to the Cypress dashboard screen where you have to give your name and select the options why you want to use the dashboard and click continue. So give your organization name or your own name, anything would be fine. So let me give my website and create organization. So skip for now. And yes, so this is how your dashboard looks. So you have to create your new project in order to run your tests. So here click create new project. In that project name, Visual Studio Code, you can see Cypress Automation is one of the projects I have created. So I'm going to give the same there. Click on next step. And once you click next step, you can see 2 things. The first is project ID and the second one is the key. So this key will actually help you to run your tests and see the results recorded in your dashboard. So if you now go and check your cypress.json in your Visual Studio Code, you can see this project ID has been saved there. So let me check that once. Let me click on cypress.json. You can see the project ID has been set up automatically here. So now I'm going to run my tests from my Visual Studio Code. So let me copy this. So now I'm going to go to my Visual Studio Code. Let me terminate this and have a new terminal. So we have seen in our previous videos how to work with the terminal commands. So if you're not sure about the terminal commands, please do check that video once and come back. So here we are going to run only a specific test because running all the tests will take some time. Under testing, I'm going to run this contact test.js. So to do that, I'm going to give the command npx cypress run spec. In double quotes, I'm going to give cypress / integration / testing / contact test.js. And now I'm going to have this recorded in my dashboard. So I'm going to use this keywords record key and the key provided. and paste it next to my command. So let me hit enter to run this test. So while the test is running, you can see in your dashboard that the Cypress automation project has been created and it is executing. Also, you can check the key and the project ID in your test runner runs section as well. So yes, our test has been passed. So let us go to the dashboard now. So here also you can see the tick mark that the test has been executed. If you click on that, you can see one test that has been executed. And again, if you click on the test, you can see the status, and if there is any failed test, you can see that here. And move on to our specs section, you can see the output, and if you click on that, the terminal screenshot is being displayed and the video execution of the test as well. So here in the test result column, it will list the tests and you can filter them to see the status and stuff based on the different types of filters given here. Let me show you the dashboard if a bunch of tests has been executed now. So here is my dashboard of another account. So I have executed a bunch of tests from my integration folder so that to show you how the dashboard looks when we execute a bigger number of tests. So here's the overview page. You can see the number of tests passed and failed has been shown. If you click on the test, you can see the details of that particular run. That is how many passed and failed, and you can see the failed test cases has been displayed alone. And if you go to the next column's test result, you can see all the tests and its results as well. So at each test, if you click on that, so you can see all the tests under my integration folder has been executed, and you can filter them by using the filters provided. So I am filtering only the failed test cases so that only my failed test cases has been displayed. Also, you have other options to filter. So if you click on the failed test cases, you can see why the test has been failed with the proper error message and the screenshot as well. So if you click on the screenshot, you can see the screenshot. Also, your execution video will be saved. You can see that as well. So going to the specs section, here you can see all the tests and its statuses has been displayed. Also, you can see the other details of in which mission it has been executed and screenshots and video recorded for all the tests. But screenshots will be available only for the failed test, but not for the passed tests. Other than this, you have a lot of options available in this dashboard that we are going to see one by one in our upcoming videos. So far I think this is good. So thanks for watching the video. Hope this video is helpful. So look for more coding and testing in Cypress. And if you like the video, hit like and subscribe. Thank you.